The tortoise who wished to fly. In a lively forest where the sun painted golden patches on the ground, there lived a thoughtful tortoise named Theo. Theo was a kind and friendly creature, but he had one unusual wish that made him different from all the other tortoises. He wanted to fly. Every morning, Theo would watch the birds soaring gracefully in the sky. He admired their colorful feathers, their cheerful chirps, and the freedom with which they floated through the clouds. He often sighed and thought, if only I could fly, I'd be the happiest tortoise in the world. Asterisk. One day, while sitting by the riverbank, Theo shared his wish with his best friend, a wise old owl named Oliver. Why do you want to fly, Theo? Asked Oliver, tilting his head curiously. It looks so amazing to glide above the trees, to see the world from the sky, Theo replied. Walking on the ground feels so boring compared to that. Oliver thought for a moment and said, be careful what you wish for, my friend. Every creature has its own special talents. But Theo wasn't convinced. He wanted wings, not advice. Later that week, a pair of playful geese named Gilda and Gus came to rest by the river. Theo eagerly approached them. Gilda, Gus, can you help me fly? Please, Theo begged. The geese found Theo's request amusing, but they liked him and decided to help. We'll try, said Gilda. Grab this stick with your mouth, and we'll carry the other ends with our beaks. Excited, Theo bit into the stick tightly. With a few strong flaps of their wings, Gilda and Gus took off into the air, lifting Theo with them. At first, Theo was thrilled. The world looked tiny below, and he could see everything, the river winding like a silver ribbon, the forest stretching far and wide, and the hills kissing the horizon. But soon, a flock of noisy crows gathered around them, cawing loudly. What a strange sight! One crow mocked. A flying tortoise! How ridiculous! Embarrassed and angry, Theo opened his mouth to respond, forgetting he was holding the stick. As soon as he let go, he began to fall. Theo tumbled through the air and landed with a splash in the river below. Thankfully, the water broke his fall, and he wasn't hurt. But he felt ashamed. That evening, Oliver the owl flew down to check on Theo. Are you all right, Theo? Oliver asked gently. I suppose I am, Theo admitted, dripping wet. Flying wasn't what I thought it would be. I guess I got carried away by wishing for something I wasn't meant to do. Oliver smiled kindly. You see, Theo, you were made to be a tortoise for a reason. You have strengths no bird could ever have. Your shell protects you, your patience is unmatched, and your steady steps can take you farther than wings ever could. Theo thought about Oliver's words. He realized he had spent so much time envying the birds that he hadn't appreciated all the wonderful things about being a tortoise. From that day on, Theo focused on his own talents, finding joy in who he was. And though he still admired the birds, he no longer wished to be one of them. Moral of the story: be grateful for who you are. Every creature has unique strengths and abilities to be proud of.